Here at Metric Method, we take bikes seriously, and today we're working on a project that is extra special, that they're actually going to allow me to help them firsthand on the project. So let's go check it out. We're building this beauty right here. It's got a ton of horsepower. No one has this bike. So we're going to build this, and it's going to be the best bike in the whole shop. Let's get to it.
You crazy mother.
So, we went ahead and put together this custom bike for Ryan, the owner of Metric Method. We put it together for his daughter, and this is her first bike. She's turning 1 this week, and I think it's pretty nice for a first bike myself, but what do you think, Ryan?
I think you did a good job. Has the Light Tech rear sets, clip-ons will do. I think she'll love it. Thank you.
No problem, Ryan. So there's only one thing left to do. We're going to go ahead and start her up, get her off the lift, and we're going to ride her on out of here. Alright, now let's see how she starts. It's a push to start, by the way.